Welcome back to Shoe Care Academy. It's Megell.St, and today we're cleaning up some Pure Money 3s. Now, I don't know if y'all were a big fan of these. These were sitting, so if you're interested in this shoe, you can probably cop for under retail. Now, before we get started, make sure you leave a like, and if you want to support us, definitely hit that subscribe button. It helps a lot. So the star of today's show is absolutely going to be the Reshoevn8r Signature Kit. As you can see, these sneakers are all white, so we are for sure going to need to put these bad boys in the washer, and that's exactly where this comes in handy. Now, my boy Rob was rocking these for about 30 days. You can see, got some real life creases in there, real life dirt. He was getting some fits off, I cannot lie, but right now, they're not looking too hot. So we're gonna clean them up and get them back to looking like that Pure Money. First things first though, let's get this out the way. We're gonna set our left shoe to the side, because you know we need that before and after. And now, we're gonna get started. First thing, take off these laces. Quick question from my sneakerheads. As I'm looking at these laces, are y'all a fan of these elephant print laces? They put these in the Black Cat 3s. They also put these in the Pure Money 3s. I'm kind of a fan, but at the same time, like, I do wish they would have just given us a solid option as well. You see that a lot. They'll give us one kind of more patterned or a color, and then they'll throw in that basic as well. So I think they're kind of dropping the ball. Not everybody likes it. It is a cool touch though. So let me know in the comments, are you rocking with the elephant print laces or nah? Laces out, and you can see the shoe is looking a little bent up, you know? So we're gonna go ahead and throw that shoe tree in there. It's gonna really help during this cleaning. One, to keep the form, and two, over time, it's gonna help pull those creases out. Wow. Just like that, you can already see it's looking a lot better. Cool. Now, before I get my entire cleaning station set up, we're gonna do an important step first, and that is hit the dry brush. I just don't wanna make more of a mess than I need to. Now, there's really no science or crazy method to this dry brushing. We're just knocking the loose dirt off the shoe. It's super simple, but it's super important, because if you don't do it, you might not get the right results. I know it's looking dirty right now, but this is definitely one of my favorite parts of the shoe. What's crazy is they didn't even really market that. I didn't see any photos of that before these came out, so if they did, I wonder if more people would have copped. Step one is done. We got that dry brushing step knocked out. Shoe's looking a little better, but we definitely got our work cut out for us. So with that being said, I went ahead and got our cleaning station set up. Right now we've got our soft, medium, and stiff brushes. We've got our dry rack and bowl combo that helps you store your brushes, and it gives you a little bowl so you can store your water and solution. Speaking of solution, we've got our 4-ounce cleaner right here that's gonna help us get along on this cleaning. So all you need is 2 squirts. Just like that. We're gonna start off with that soft bristle brush. Really just make an entire pass around this shoe. There's not really any materials we have to be careful about. It's pretty much all leather. There is the elephant print is, I would say, kind of like a nubuck suede material, but we've cleaned shoes like this plenty of times and we don't really have issues with it. So let's get to it. Since it is suede, you don't want it to dry unevenly. So to avoid that, just give it an even pass all the way around. If you're cleaning any shoes up at home, my people, make sure you do not forget to clean the liner, and especially when you're cleaning up 3s. I already showed you all the Pure Money, but make sure you pull that back tab back and clean behind there. All right, the first pass with that soft brush did pretty well. Just using our microfiber towel to dry off the sneaker and see if we've got any deeper stains. Before I get too far, another common area that I see people not really paying attention to is that insole. Make sure you get that insole clean, my people. Oh, and real quick, I gotta give a disclaimer. I know I said my boy Rob wore these for 30 days. Now, I don't think it was looking quite like this. We had Luis, our social media manager, dirty these up a little bit more. So I'm assuming most of this dirt is from that. Nobody's insole should really look like this, but if it does, it'll come clean. And I'm about to show you. Just with the soft brush, we got this far. We're gonna actually put this in the washer as well, so it's gonna come even cleaner. Uppers are looking white again, which is a good sign. We're gonna go ahead and hop over to our medium bristle brush and then tackle this midsole. Still some stains deep in there in this air bubble. So we're gonna take care of that midsole and then any deeper stains that I'm seeing on the uppers. Something satisfying about cleaning an all white shoe. Bringing them back to life, baby. This sud's popping for real. I love the medium bristle brush because it's that all-around, all-purpose brush. It's not too coarse and it's not too soft, but I'm able to get into deeper stains on the midsole that I wouldn't have been able to get with the soft brush. If I had to choose only one brush to complete this cleaning, it would have to be the medium brush. Now we got the uppers all cleaned up, and I can't lie, the old me would have thought I was done with this cleaning, but not quite. We gotta hit this outsole, and that's gonna be done with a stiff bristle brush. You know, it's just something different about seeing your shoes fully clean, bottoms and all, you know? Even though they're going right back on the ground, you know, just enjoy it for a couple hours, right? Why not? If you think 3 brushes is overkill, take a look at this, right? A little dirty mark on the stars. That was not able to get removed with the soft brush or the medium, but we got the trick. Let's see how many scrubs it takes to get rid of this right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 20. All right, 3rd level of elbow grease. Dip. It's the 1. There you go. However you want to add that up, 30 plus 20 plus 15. You do the math. All right, there it is. We got the pre-cleaning knocked out for this sneaker. It's looking a little dingy right now, and the washing machine will definitely lighten this up. But until then, we're gonna go ahead and give our laces a quick scrub down. Believe it or not, the laces are a big part of the cleaning. If you got a clean shoe, you throw some dingy laces in there, it's just not gonna hit. That's why it's just as important to give your laces some love. I always like to scrub them between my hands to get them all soapy, and then with a soft bristle brush, really just go back and forth against the cleaning mat, and you get some great results. Sick. We're done. That means we're moving on. It's time to put the shoe in the laundry bag. You will enter this bag and you will not return the same. Oh, hold on. Abort mission. Laces inside the bag. To the laundry room. We have entered the laundry room, which means it's time to get down to business. We're gonna toss our shoe in the washer, and then I'm gonna tell you all about this new product. So we're actually going with laundry sheets now. It's a great new product, same amazing results. Basically, the pack comes with 8 full sheets, but you get to rip it in half, so you really got like 16 different ones. So let's show y'all how it's done. Take your full sheet out, just like that. It's already got that dotted line going down the middle. And then from there, everything stays the same. All right, there it is. We're back with the shoe all cleaned up. We set it outside to dry, and it's looking damn good if you ask me. Shoes are white, stitching is white, and we really got nothing to complain about except one minor thing. Like I said, my boy Rob was walking these for about 30 days, and in between time, I can tell he had on a couple different color socks, right? So we got some black lint, blue lint, white lint, and this is all inside the sneaker. I'm gonna take care of all this sock lint with this little shaver right here, and at the end of it, we'll have a smooth liner inside. Cool, we got that step knocked out, and yeah, my boy Vic uses this tool quite often. As you can see, let me get this thing open. It's a legit hairball in here. Let me know if you guys can see that. So I'm actually curious, how many sneakers did it take to accumulate a hairball just solely off of sock lint? Kinda a little weird if you think about it, but moving on to this cleaning, you know, we'll pop our shoe tree back in and we can get these laced up. Let's do it. Cool, there we have it. Sneaker is laced up, looking mighty fine, man, if you ask me. It's looking real good. It was reminding me of this sneaker. I don't even remember the first year they released, but I do remember they were out when I was in elementary school. I was in 5th grade, and my mom actually had a pair. At the time, me and my mom were the same size, so I don't know if it was her idea, if I just grabbed them, but I do know I had them on daily at the park, at recess, everywhere I could, I was rocking them. And essentially just turned them into my pair. I got them all dirty, trashed them pretty much to where, yeah, they were going in the dumpster. And so it's actually pretty cool now, full circle moment. This sneaker did just come out, as y'all know. So I was able to cop my mom a pair and basically re-gift those to her. She was super surprised, definitely not expecting it. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do like a mother-son photo shoot since I did get myself a matching pair. So if you follow me at Megell.St on Instagram, you might just see a little photo shoot. Who knows when, but yeah, look out for it. But what do you guys think of this sneaker? I'm a fan of it, honestly. I feel like if you like an all white Air Force One, it's no way you can say you don't like this sneaker. It's all white, classic. It can go well with anything. It's a good summer shoe in my opinion. I'm a fan of the sneaker. I'll definitely be rocking these every chance I get. But enough about the shoe, let's talk about the results. So let me grab the before. Wow. Look at the difference. Night and day and night, however you want to say it. We got there. Results are visible. Results you can see. It's right here. We got these results with the Reshoevn8r Signature Kit. It's a staple, it's my go-to. You definitely need one. We got the cleaning started with our soft, medium, and stiff bristle brushes. We call that a good old pre-cleaning here at Reshoevn8r. After that pre-cleaning, we went ahead and dropped the sneaker inside the washer and then took care of that with our brand new laundry sheets. Same results, just a different look. Make sure you grab some. After just one run in the washer, we set these sneakers outside to dry, under the sun. Now, if you don't know, the UV rays from the sun can definitely help whiten up your sneakers, specifically like this stitching and the laces. The shoe is all white, so I'm assuming it helped this entire shoe just get a little bit brighter. Once the shoe was all dried up, we took care of all that sock lint with the shaver, and the results speak for themselves. You can find all our products at Reshoevn8r.com. Use code PureMoney to save pure money. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe what sneaker you want us to clean next. That'll be it for today's video. Appreciate y'all hanging. Till next time, peace.